Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, we're gonna open up content that we wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open for me. Just make sure that the content that you want to capture is visible on your screen. From there, simply hold power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up with edit, share, Google Lens and delete options, and after a moment it disappears. Once it does so, you can find that screenshot in your Photos application. You can see it right here. I'm gonna simply click on it to view it. So there we go. And later on, once you see different albums, maybe at the bottom, you can select an album called Screenshots, or you can also tap on the text, as you can see, Screen Recorder or Screenshots. And this will take me to a folder that contains all the, in this case, screenshots. And obviously it will be showing them from, well, however far back my first screenshot was. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.